Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Try to Speak. I hope you are doing well. So today I am going to share an important and useful topic, that is how to introduce yourself. So let me first introduce myself. I hope that will help you to easily understand better. Hello guys, my name is Sulochana. I am from West Bengal. I am a mother, I am a learner. If I talk my education, I did my graduation in Ranchi University, Jharkhand, and my hobbies are reading books, listening music, gardening, and learning new things, exploring new things. And I am a person who values time a lot. I am an open-minded person. My goal is I want to become a fluent speaker in English and helping them others. So friend, this way you can introduce yourself. So you can see on this board, here you can introduce yourself step by step. First, greeting. So when you meet someone at the first time, we should greet them. So how can you greet? Hello, hi, good morning, and after that your name and location. What is your name and where are you from? Third, your profession. Are you students or working? Fourth, your hobbies. What do you like to do in your free times? And fifth, your goal. What do you want to be in a future? And something unique quality about you that will help to enhance your personality. So that way you can introduce yourself very simple and effective way. So let's practice, let's learning. You can practice in front of mirror, you can practice with your friend. So guys, if you find my video is useful, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you again next video. Bye.